UNIQLO differentiates itself through its lifewear philosophy, prioritizing timeless, functional, and durable apparel over fast fashion trends. The key differentiator is their proprietary textiles innovations linked tech and airism, which move consumer discourse from price to specific functional utility. This quality creates a barrier to entry, protecting the brand from digital price wars. To combat the threat of convenience, UNIQLO has established a harmonious online to offline O2O ecosystems. Their strong click and collect service leverage their vast store network as decentralized fulfillment centers, countering any e-commerce delivery speed and crucially inventing the flow of traffic back into the physical store for brand immersions and impulse buys. The in-store experience is redefined to warrant the physical visit. By deploying RFID technology, UNIQLO eliminates the main pain point, long queues, with frictionless self-checkout, matching the efficiency of online transactions. Furthermore, they foster loyalty through emotional engagement initiatives like BTMT, customizations, and re-UNIQLO repair studios, transforming the store from a transaction point into a community hub. This strategy is a prime example of technology management, shifting the focus from simply selling clothes to delivering a lifestyle solutions. It represents systematic innovations, merging the efficiency of Industry 4.0 with the human-centric principle of Industry 5.0. 4.0 technologies like RFID automate mundane tasks, freeing up the human workforce for high-value interactions like personalized styling and customers' education, creating a physical ecosystems. The ultimate goal is a blue ocean strategy by providing the convenience of digital retails and the social and sensory benefits of physical retails. UNIQLO creates an uncontested market space. This experience-centered approach builds a lifewear community defending their premium positioning with deep brand loyalty that transactional e-commerce platforms simply cannot replicate.
My name is Andrew Tan. Today I want to talking about Industry 4.0 application. Industry 4.0 is a new way of using technology to make business work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. It includes tools like the Internet of Things, Big Data, AI, and Smart Machine. For UNIQLO Malaysia, these technologies are important because customers today want quick service, great information, and a smooth shopping experience. Many UNIQLO stores in Malaysia get very crowded, especially during weekend or sales. It often leads to long queues, very trouble finding items, and slow service. By using Industry 4.0, UNIQLO can improve its operation and offer a faster and more enjoyable experience for customers. So, one major technology UNIQLO can use more in Malaysia is RFID. RFID helps the store identify items automatically without manual scanning. With RFID self-checkout, customers can place all their items into a one scanner, and everything is detected instantly. This can remove long checkout lines, which is one of the bigger problems in busy store, especially UNIQLO. It also free out stock, so they can focus more on helping customers on the sales floor instead of working at the cashier. After that, RFID also gives very accurate information about stock levels, up to 99% accuracy. This means the stock, website, and mobile apps will all showing the same information. Customer will not longer experience hesitation when an item looks available online but is missing in stock. Employees will also save time because they do not have to do many manual stock check or serve or for item. For UNIQLO, this will help them restock faster, avoid running out of popular item, and prevent overstocking item they do not sell.
My name is Kok Hao-Yun, and today I'm going to present about two Industry 4.0 application, which is the big data driven personalization and also the augmented reality, also known as the magic mirror, and how UNIQLO in Malaysia leverage them to achieve a seamless, efficient, and immersive retail ecosystem. So these technologies not only improve the operational efficiency but also increase the customer experience in physical store. So for the big data and AI driven personalization, there are 2 points, which is the in-store concierge services and also the smart digital merchandising. So for the first one, the UNIQLO mobile app already captures extensive data from browsing history and wish list to purchase behavior and seasonal tendencies. So the key is to unlock the potential of this data through AI. We have proposed an AI-powered in-store concierge service within the UNIQLO app. So for the activation, when the customer entering a store, the app will automatically convert into in-store mode, utilizing Bluetooth or IoT sensors to detect the user presence. So for the function for this in-store concierge service is it can instantly display a customized shop map highlighting the precise location, items on the customer wish list or previously viewed products. It also recommends complementing products, for instance, pairing a purchase heat tag top with specialized layering pieces based on the past experience and current store inventory. So for the second one is the smart digital merchandising. So beyond the app, AI can enhance visual merchandising through smart digital displays and interactive screens. So with user consent, these displays can offer customized style tips and mix and match outfit ideas based on the individual preference. It also provides a dynamic real-time sizing suggestion and created looks. So for the second Industry 4.0 application, which is the augmented reality, also known as the magic mirror, the second key innovation addresses a common pain point in high traffic retail environments, which is the fitting room overcrowding. So the AR can enhancing the fitting room experience through allow the customer to visually try on multiple color, size and styles without physically changing their clothes. So it can improve the efficiency and exploration for the customer due to the dramatically reduced wait times and physical workload on staff associated with managing size changes, and also encourage shoppers to explore more products and combination as the friction of trying on clothes is eliminated. So for the strategic advantages, implementing AR mirrors is not just about convenience, also elevates UNIQLO brand image positioning. It is an innovative, forward-thinking retailer consistent with the tenets of Industry 4.0. So in summary, UNIQLO Malaysia's strategic development of the technologies, AI-driven personalization for intelligent guidance and AR magic mirrors for an enhanced efficient fitting experience, create an interconnected customer-centric retail ecosystem. So this is all my presentation. Thank you.
Hi everyone, so I will present about the Industry 5.0 application and how the industry applies the concept in their retail operations. So actually Industry 5.0 is the next step after the Industry 4.0, while the Industry 4.0 more focused on the machine, robots and automation. So the Industry 5.0 brings the focus back to the humans, like the idea that the technology should not replace the people. Instead, technology should support us, enhance our creativity and improve our well-being. So the Industry 5.0 is all about the human and the technology working together. So UNIQLO is very important because this shift is very convenient and it cannot replace the human warmth, personal service customer want in a store. So the first point is human centricity. So this means that the humans remain at the center of the innovation. Even though the technology is very powerful, human ability like empathy, creativity and communication cannot be replaced by the machines. So in the Industry 5.0, the technology helps people to grow instead of taking over their jobs. And in retail, the customer experience is extremely very important. UNIQLO used the technology to reduce the repetitive tasks so the employees can spend more the time helping the customer. For examples like the RFID self-checkout to make the payment easier, and also the AI inventory system to reduce the empty shelves. So because of that, the worker can more focus on the customer, like giving the styling advice, provide a more professional touch. And the UNIQLO staff are no longer just the cashier, but also become the styling consultant. And the UNIQLO also use the technology to make the service more personalized, like the AI outfit recommendation tools, tablets showing the real-time inventory. So this will make their job easier and help them to give better, faster suggestions. But the most important part is the service still feel the humans, warmth, empathy, and personalized conversation remain on the center. And this is something online shopping can never fully replace. So we can say that the UNIQLO has shown the technology and humans can work together, the employee can be empowered, not replaced, and the customer experience becomes more meaningful.
So I will continue with this part of the presentation by explaining how UNIQLO Malaysia applies Industry 5.0 principles through sustainability and an agile supply chain. To support this explanation, I will use a UNIQLO t-shirt as a sample demonstration tool. Industry 5.0 emphasizes responsible and environmental conscious business practices. UNIQLO aligns strongly with these values by prioritizing quality, durability, and long-lasting design. Instead of encouraging disposable fast fashion, UNIQLO produces clothing that customers can wear for many years, reducing waste and supporting sustainable consumption. This approach reflects Industry 5.0's vision of balancing economic growth with ecological responsibility. UNIQLO also promotes circular economy practices through the UNIQLO program. In Malaysia, UNIQLO studies allow customers to repair, customize, or recycle their garments, extending the lifespan of each item. This reduces textile waste and encourages more sustainable consumption habits, which is a core principle of Industry 5.0. In addition, UNIQLO incorporates smart and ethical operations across its entire business model. This includes energy-efficient store designs, the use of responsible materials such as recycled polyester, and transparent supply chain practices supported by strict auditing and ethical procurement. These strategies demonstrate UNIQLO's commitment to long-term environmental responsibility and social sustainability. Moving on to the supply chain aspect, Industry 4.0 provides real-time data, while Industry 5.0 ensures that humans remain involved in decision-making. UNIQLO Malaysia applies both effectively. AI system analyze RFID inventory data, sales history, weather patterns, and local fashion trends to generate accurate demand forecasts. However, human managers verify this insight to avoid mistakes caused by AI misinterpreting culture or contextual factors. This improves accuracy and operational resilience. UNIQLO stores also respond flexible to disruption. Store teams can trigger fast restocking, faster items between outlets, or adjust staffing. Some outlets may even act as micro-fulfillment centers, reducing delays and ensuring that product available remains stable even during unexpected situations. So overall, the hybrid model of AI support and human judgment gives UNIQLO Malaysia a competitive advantage over retailers that rely purely on automation. It strengthens flexibility, adaptability, and long-term performance. In conclusion, UNIQLO successfully demonstrates Industry 5.0 principles through its sustainability initiative, circular economic efforts, ethical sourcing practices, and agile supply chain. This action enhances both environmental responsibility and long-term business competitiveness. Thank you.
I will be presenting the first part of the Blue Ocean strategy for UNIQLO using the Eliminate, Reduce, Raise, Create framework. My focus will be on the Eliminate and Reduce strategy. Under the Eliminate component, UNIQLO needs to remove several outdated practices that no longer add value to customers. First, the brand should eliminate the manual size searchings and traditional fitting room process. These methods cause long waiting time and inconvenience. Replacing them with smart fitting solutions will improve the shopping experience. Second, UNIQLO should eliminate the traditional cashier counter. Long queues slow down the checkout process, so automatic self-checkout system would be a better alternative. Third, the use of static promotional poster and paper signage should be eliminated because they cannot be personalized or updated quickly. Digital display will be more effective. Lastly, UNIQLO should eliminate the one-size-fits-all customer service, as modern shoppers expect personalized and technology-supported interaction. Next, under the reduce component, UNIQLO needs to reduce the several areas to increase the efficiency. First, the brand should reduce its dependence on staff for routine tasks such as checking size or stock. Digital self-service tools can handle this more efficiently. Second, UNIQLO should reduce the excessive inventory on the shop floor, as too much stock makes the store feel cluttered. Real-time inventory system can help them manage this better. Third, the variety of product options should be reduced to avoid the decision fatigue and make the shopping faster for customers. Finally, the UNIQLO should reduce the use of paper receipt and traditional government tag, which create the unnecessary waste. Digital receipt and RFID tags are more sustainable.
I will continue to present the next point. Okay, so for the first, imagine walking into a store where everything feels smarter, faster, and more personal. A place where technology and comfort blend so naturally you are shopping. This future eye invention for UNIQLO. So for the third point is raise, elevating UNIQLO's value. To stay competitive, UNIQLO must raise several key elements of its value proposition. First, advanced retail technology. By expanding RFID system, AI recommendations, smart mirrors, and mobile shopping tools, UNIQLO can offer a smoother and more interactive experience. Imagine scanning a product and instantly getting styling ideas for no more searching. Next, UNIQLO should raise personalizations. By using customer analysis, the brand can offer tailored promotion and personalized outfit suggestion, making every visit feel unique. And the UNIQLO should also raise awareness of its technology-based apparel lines like Airless, High-Tech, and Ultra Light Down. These products offer strong function benefit, and more customer education can strengthen loyalty. Lastly, UNIQLO must raise transparency in sustainability like raw materials recycling programs and environmental effort. Consumers today care deeply about ethical brands. So for the last point is creating new value for the future. Now let's look at the create dimension. That's where UNIQLO can introduce fresh innovation. First, a UNIQLO smart store concept. Imagine automated RFID checkout, AI styling assistance, virtual try-on tools, and interactive display. This transforms regular shopping into a seamless, futuristic journey. So next, UNIQLO can create a personal style ecosystem, connecting the apps, smart mirrors, body measurements, and purchase data to offer a truly personalized wardrobe system. UNIQLO can also create a sustainability access hub, such as a place for recycling old clothes, repair service, and upcycling workshops, strengthening the community while supporting the planet. So lastly, UNIQLO can introduce on-demand customization like embroidery, head transfer prints, and adjustable fittings. This attracts young customers who love personalization fashion. So by raising its strengths and creating new innovations, UNIQLO can evolve from a simple clothing retailers into a smart, sustainable, and personalized lifestyle brand. This is not just the future of UNIQLO, it is the future of retail. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. So for this part, I will explain the strategic implementation plan for UNIQLO Malaysia. Our plan is divided into 3 stages, which is short term, mid term, and long term. I will keep everything simple and easy to understand. The first one is short term plan, which is 0 to 12 months. Firstly, in the short term, UNIQLO will focus on improving the basic things in the store. The first action is to install RFID self-checkout in big stores. This helps reduce long queue and makes payment faster. And next, UNIQLO will improve the app by adding in-store mode. This lets customers check real-time stock, find items easily, and get simple outfit suggestions. UNIQLO will also start the Re.UNIQLO Studio in one pilot store. This is a space for repair, customization, and upcycling. At the same time, staff will start training to become stylist guides to give customers styling help. Now we move on to the next one, mid-term plan, 1 to 3 years. Next, in the mid-term, UNIQLO will expand what works. The Re.UNIQLO Studio will be added to more stores. UNIQLO will also introduce AR magic mirrors so customers can try on clothes virtually. Stylist guides will use AI tablets to give better outfits, recommendations. UNIQLO will also run monthly workshops like Sashiko mending and styling session to connect more with customers. And finally, the last one is long-term plan, which is 3 to 5 years. Finally, in the long term, UNIQLO will create a full digital experience, meaning physical plus digital combined. The app, RFID system, AR mirrors and customer data will all be connected, so customers can move smoothly from online to in-store shopping. UNIQLO will also use AI to plan stock better for each store. Over time, AR mirrors and Re.UNIQLO studios will become standard in many stores, and UNIQLO will also grow as a sustainability and community hub. So overall, this roadmap helps UNIQLO offer a faster, easier, and more personalized shopping experience. By using technology and human creativity together, UNIQLO can give customers something special that online shopping cannot replace. Thank you.
Alright, so let's talk about the risk. We know that this transformation is a big project and honestly it's expensive. New tech like AR mirrors and RFID cost a lot of money. So because of this, we are not going to roll everything out at once. Instead, we start small. We will let this feature first in our flagship stores like Fahrenheit 88 and the Exchange TRX. This led us to fix any bugs and prove it makes money before we going to spend big on other stores. Yeah, but money isn't the only risk. We also have to think about our staff. When employees see self-checkout as the robot, they got scared. They think that, is this machine going to take my job? We need to tell them clearly, no. We are positioning this empowerment. The tech handles the boring, repetitive tasks like folding or counting stocks, so our staff can focus on the fun part, styling and helping customers. We retrain them as a stylish guides, giving them new skills in fashion and sustainability. Then, their customers, Malaysian, are smart. If we start tracking their data, they may feel like their privacy is being invaded. So our rule is simple: trust and transparency. Everything is open. We won't track anyone unless they say yes. And why would they say yes? Because we treat it like a VIP perk. We will say, share your profile and we will give you a personal stylist. We have to make sure the experience is better and faster than just buying cheap on Shopee. Now, what's about competition? If this works, okay, Sarah and H&M will try to copy us. They might buy the same AR mirrors, but here's our secret weapon. They can copy our tech, but they can't copy our culture. Our lifewear philosophy and our commitment to sustainability are deep in our DNA. By mixing our repair studio, our app, and our trained staff, we build a system that is very, very hard for fast fashion brands to fake. So how do we market this? We need to stop selling products and start selling a community. Instead of just paying influencers to post a photo, we will invite them to host styling workshops in our store. We are also going to gamify the app. You don't just get points for spending money, but you get points for using the AR mirror or bringing old clothes to be repaired. We want the store to be a fun place to hang out and not just a place to buy a shirt and leave. This leads to our biggest innovation. It's not a gadget, it's a new way to make money. Think about our UNIQLO studio, where a customer pays RM30 to embroider a jacket they already own. There is a pure profit for us. We don't need to buy any new inventory to make the sales. Plus, we are creating a feedback loop. The app suggests an outfit, the human stylist tweaks it, and the AI learns from the human interaction. It makes our technology smarter every single day.
To conclude our report, we must recognize that UNIQLO Malaysia is at a strategic crossroads. The reality is that traditional brick and mortar benefits are eroding. Engaging in a price war with digital giants such as Shopee and Lazada is a losing bet because their low overhead models allow them to undercut physical retailers indefinitely. If we continue as is, UNIQLO's vast store network risk is becoming a financial liability. Our proposed solution is to radically reimagine the store into a digital community hub for sustainable lifewear. By adopting a blue ocean strategy, we avoid the cutthroat competition of the red ocean and create new market value centered on experience and sustainability. This approach synthesizes Industry 4.0 like RFID and data analytics with the human-centric focus of Industry 5.0. It is about using efficiently to reintroduce the human touch. To achieve this, our first recommendation is the seamless integration of the UNIQLO app. The app must evolve from a simple catalog into a remote control for the physical store. This creates a fluid journey where customers can check real-time stock or view styling history before walking in, ensuring digital convenience drives physical foot traffic rather than replacing it. Next, we must champion the UNIQLO Studio as our flagship experiential anchor. In a market of disposable fast fashion, offering repairs and remixing services creates a defensible, tangible experience. Online competitors cannot replicate the experience of watching a garment being repaired. This turns the stores into a hub of sustainability. And finally, this strategy requires a significant investment in people. As automation handles tedious tasks like inventory, we must upskill our staff from functional operators to empathetic brand consultants. They become the human face of lifewear, offering personalized styling and advice that algorithms simply cannot match. So in conclusion, by empowering staff and integrating technology, UNIQLO ensures that the digital innovation enhances rather than replaces human connection. This is the key to securing brand loyalty and market leadership in Malaysia for the next decade. Thank you, and this is from Group 1.